Hey guys, Emma from Speero here. I'm going to talk you through our third testing story, more search, more sales. So as part of the research that we conducted for this client, we identified three main data points relating to the site search. So starting with the UX heuristic review. We identified that on mobile, the search isn't particularly prominent. You can see from this screenshot down here, the search is in the header, identified with this like magnifying glass icon, but it's not labeled and it was easily being missed by users. This was quantified in the usability studies, where we saw the large majority of participants within the usability studies struggling to find the search and ultimately struggling with product findability. The reason for this is that this client is a sports retailer who have thousands and thousands of different products across a wide range of different categories. So finding the right category and then the right product was a key kind of barrier for users. We then had a dig into analytics data. So we again kind of quantified the insights from the heuristic review that significantly less users on mobile were utilizing the site search feature versus desktop devices. Now, on desktop, the site search was visible within the header throughout the whole website, so it was a lot more prominent within the user journey. But we also found that users who did use the search across both devices were significantly more likely to convert. So, like 300% higher conversion rate for those who used the search. Now, this piece of data isn't necessarily surprising. We often see that users that search convert more highly. We usually assume that that is based around intent. So users that have high purchase intent, they know exactly what they want to buy. They just arrive at the website and they type it into the search and then they go and purchase it. Whereas users who are not quite sure that what they want to buy, they've got lower purchase intent and they need to do some browsing and some comparison, are more likely to kind of use the navigation to look around a bit, maybe compare to another website, etc. So we expect conversion rate there to be lower. But because we'd identified these UX issues with regards to the site search, particularly on mobile, we wanted to understand if there was opportunity to move the needle there by encouraging more people to search. And we were able to do that. The results showed that we increased site search usage, which was what we expected, but also in turn that positively impacted conversion rate. So that shows us that there was people coming to the site previously that did have that kind of high purchase intent that we might expect of people that search, but they simply weren't seeing the option to use the search, and therefore they weren't able to find the products that they were looking for. And we were able to help them in doing that by showing them that site search. So next steps for us are iterations from here. So we want to explore more ways of increasing the prominence of the site search, maybe using animations, and also testing around the actual algorithm to improve the site search results to again help with that product findability. We also did go on to test this on other pages, so showing the site search open on the PLP and had a positive impact again. Hope you found this useful. I would be interested to hear if you guys have had similar experiences with testing around the site search. What's worked for you, what hasn't. Keep your eyes peeled for more testing stories, and if you've got any questions, then feel free to drop me a message on LinkedIn. Thanks. Bye.